Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit that bell button for more videos. So today's client, we are going to be doing a low light. As you guys can see, she's got a lot of new growth happening, and then she's got some bands in the back of her hair from her mid shaft to end. She's about a level 9, and I would say super pale yellow. And her new growth, her natural color is about a level 6, 7. She's naturally a blonde, dirty blonde. So what we're going to do for low lights is go in with Pravana 8N and 6N to make a 7N. And I'm also going to be adding a little bit of 7G from Redken the Shades EQ Cream. Now, I've never had a problem with mixing colors. I've always done it. If you aren't too familiar with that, or if you don't know how to do them, I would definitely learn to research it or just use a little bit of color at first, because sometimes you can get a harsh pigment out of that. So the reason why I'm adding a little bit of gold in there is because she's so light from her mid shaft to ends, that pale yellow, that I need somewhat of a filler in that hair. If I go in with anything lower, she's definitely going to turn out muddy. And because she's naturally a little bit warmed, and it's so hard, I know, to see her natural color, guys, but even her natural color has more of a warmer tone, golden, kind of a little bit of red. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some gold filler in there. And all I'm going to be doing is starting off in the back. So with my client for the past 2 years, she has been coming in and getting root retouches for like 2 years. And I think my client was super bored of it. I know I was getting bored as well. And my client actually has eczema flare-ups. And sometimes she gets them on her scalp to where we can't actually do the retouch. And that's why recently, I think it was back in December, she was supposed to come in for her retouch. Well, she had a flare-up, and you want to stay away from bleach, especially if the scalp is irritated. And her scalp tends to get very red even when she eats dairy. So make sure that you guys are asking your clients if they have any allergies or if they're taking anything, because that can come into play, especially when you're trying to put bleach onto the scalp. So we decided that it's time to maybe take her back more natural and do more of a balayage. So the reason why I chose to do low lights is because she still wants to keep a lot of her blonde. It did take us a while to get there. So with the low lights that I'm going in with, I'm hoping to create more of a bit of a blend. That way her new growth that's coming in, and also too the blonde that she has, you don't see any harsh lines. So I'm hoping to achieve that with these low lights. And what we're also going to be doing is, because she is over the platinum blonde look, we are going to be toning her down as well to at least about a level 8, and we are going to do more of a golden tone. With these low lights, I also don't want to add so much darkness to her hair, just because, as you guys could see, she is super blonde on the bottom. So if I were to go in with anything like just a straight level 6 or even a level 5 or a 4, she would have looked completely dark. Usually I always like to take them back to their natural color. We don't want too much dark in there, but we just want to break it up and tone her down as well. So starting off in the front around her hairline, I'm going to be taking diagonal sections, the same that I did in the back, and I'm just going to do this all the way up. Now with her, we're not going to worry about putting any bleach because she did have a flare-up recently, so we just want to stay away from that, stick with these low lights, and I'm not going to be doing any type of money pieces. I'm just going to be blending it all around, very natural. Okay guys, so I finished applying and she did sit for about 45 minutes. And I also too did want to say I used Pervana Developer 20 volume because I want to get a lift out of her. If I was using a 10, that would just be depositing it in almost like a toner. So now for toning her hair, I am using Redken Shadesy Q8N and 8GB. We're toning her down. Also from Trust Professional, I like to go in with this toner. It's like a miracle spray and it's in the color Honey. Now I'm also going to be applying this with the toner on. This is super pigmented, so I'm happy because it's going to drop her down a lot more and give her more of a warmer tone instead of the icy tones. So this is the final result. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I love this because she still looks blonde, but she doesn't have no more of that harsh grow out line. As you guys can see, it almost looks just like highlights, but yet she's going to eventually turn out like a balayage because she doesn't want to come in so often to get her hair done. So this is a great way as well. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time.